Today, we're celebrating Earth Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness about environmental issues and promoting sustainable living. As we reflect on the impact of our actions on the planet, it's important to remember that every small change we make can have a big impact. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and ideas for how you can make a difference in your daily life and help protect our planet. So, join us as we explore the beauty of nature and the importance of taking action for a sustainable future. If you're as fascinated by the mysteries of the universe as I am, hit that like and subscribe button and join me on this journey of discovery. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated on April 22nd to raise awareness about environmental issues and promote efforts to protect our planet. The first Earth Day was held in 1970, and since then, it has become a global movement that involves people from all over the world. The theme for Earth Day 2023 is Restore Our Earth, which emphasizes the urgent need to restore our planet's ecosystems and address the environmental challenges we face. With climate change, deforestation, pollution, and other human activities threatening the delicate balance of our planet's natural systems, it's more important than ever to take action to protect our home. There are many ways you can get involved in Earth Day and make a difference in your community. Here are a few ideas. Find a local cleanup event in your community or organize one with friends and family. Clean up litter and debris from parks, beaches, and other public spaces to help protect wildlife and the environment. Trees and other plants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. Planting trees or other vegetation in your yard or in public spaces can help combat deforestation and provide important habitats for wildlife. Take steps to reduce your carbon footprint by conserving energy, using public transportation, reducing waste, and choosing environmentally friendly products. Learn more about environmental issues and share your knowledge with others. Encourage your friends, family, and community to take action and make a difference. There are many organizations that work to protect the environment and promote sustainability. Consider donating your time or money to support their efforts. Earth Day is a reminder that we all have a role to play in protecting our planet. By taking action and working together, we can help restore our Earth and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching our video on Earth Day. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, every small action we take to protect the environment can make a big difference. So, let's continue to make sustainable choices in our daily lives and work together to create a better future for ourselves and future generations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on environmental issues and sustainable living. Together, let's make every day Earth Day.